Hey guys, Dr. Michael Derry here today, and I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and my specialty is back pain and nerve pain. And when I think about nerves, I think about sciatica. And one of the questions I got recently is, can sciatica cause calf pain? Guys, it absolutely needs to be known that sciatica and calf pain can be connected, but there are some caveats that you're going to want to learn and you're going to want to tune in so you can have a better understanding about calf pain and sciatica. Let's go over the one thing that I wish people knew. All right, guys, so we're going to talk about sciatica and calf pain. So let's just start with a brief anatomy lesson. This is my very own drawing, so we're going to have a wild time with the whiteboard here. So here's your hip, okay? Just think about it like this is in the grade drawing, but what I drew here are some bony landmarks. This is your butt bone. It's like when you feel your butt, that's that hard bone that sits there. That's where your hamstring's attached. That's gonna be worth knowing as we go through this. This bone on the outside is that bone on the side of your hip here. That's where people often have like bursitis or trochanteric syndrome, okay? Now these dotted lines here, I'm just illustrating where glutes are, right? In this region, the glutes come and attach to the side of the hip. A lot of them do. They also attach other places, but for this, I wanted to show you that. So it's kind of ironic that I've got a whiteboard there, but I'm using this one, but whatever, right? And so we're gonna go through here. So here's your spine, and then the nerve exits. I'm gonna use green here. So the nerve exits and it comes out in the middle of your butt here, okay? So that's your big sciatic nerve. And then it goes down basically the middle of your leg and it splits at your calf. It becomes a couple different nerves, either the sural or tibial nerve based off of where you did your learning. And that goes down the middle and it goes down and wraps to the Achilles and to the foot. And then you have your tibial or your peroneal nerve that sits on the lateral aspect that wraps around. And so it's not uncommon for people with sciatica or sciatic nerve pain to have pain into the calf and foot. Now, what's really, really interesting here, and this is definitely worth knowing, is that when you have sciatica, it is fair game to have pain along the pathway of the nerve. Absolutely. And what's really interesting is that our body can do some amazing things, is that with sciatica and calf pain, you can absolutely have sciatica and not have pain anywhere in here and only in your calf. Guys, that's pretty cool to think that, okay, I have some numbness and tingling in my foot or calf, and I actually have sciatica, which starts in my lower back, and that may be where the issue is caused, but we're only having symptoms into the calf. And so when people report calf pain, I have to look at the lower back. And that's the thing about sciatica. You can have pain along any path length of the nerve or the pathway of the nerve, but you don't have to have pain along the whole thing. And it can skip over areas. I've definitely seen people with like an achy glute, but then pain and down to their calf or foot, or only have foot pain or only have calf pain. And I've also seen people that only have mild stiffness in their hamstring. Wow, we just went through a lot. So the end thing that I want you to remember is that it absolutely can cause calf pain. Sciatica can cause calf pain. It can also cause foot pain. It can also cause hamstring pain. It can also cause glute pain. Or you can only have one, or you can have a combination. And in some lucky individuals, they have pain along the entire pathway. And so when we're thinking about leg pain, calf pain, and sciatica, it's worth knowing our anatomy so we can have a better understanding of where we need to start and what we need to do to treat it. And this is what I do all the time. And so I have other videos, like if you're having foot or calf pain with this, you're gonna wanna do some nerve glides. Absolutely. If you have tight hamstrings, you're gonna wanna do some nerve glides. If you have just lower back discomfort, then we might wanna start with just some lower back mobility work, maybe some extensions and other work, but it's worth figuring out where the pain is coming from. And there are tests that we can do to figure that stuff out. So to circle back to where we started, can sciatica cause calf pain? Yes. Can it only cause calf pain? Sure. Can it cause foot pain and no calf pain? Absolutely. And so I know that's hard to follow, but I hope my awful drawing here helps you out. And so can it cause calf pain? Absolutely. Guys, if you like this information, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. Maybe I missed something. Like, guys, fill me in. Like, I think we're always still trying to learn and learn more about the human body. So I know I don't know it all. Absolutely not. So leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, stay healthy, keep moving, and take care of yourself.